I want to share something with you that got me inspired this week. Let's go through this together. Hey, welcome to another video. I'm Peter, and if it's your first time here, you want to learn to code, you want to stay motivated to reach that goal and change your life, then start now by subscribing and click that little bell icon so you don't miss anything. Last week I was sharing with you guys something called hashtag 100 days of code over on Twitter. And I'll tell you, this week somebody wrote something so awesome that I just really wanted to share it with you. I'm gonna make this kind of a normal thing on the channel now, where I share some great tweets from people who are also kind of learning to code and having success, because it shows not only my ideas and my opinions, but also shares with you that other people are also having success. And they are making it, and they are doing it, they're not giving up. And it's just a great, another section of the community. So I wanted to read this tweet to you. So this is from Seek Houdib. I know that Seek Houdib lives in Madrid, Spain, and dude, he's always positive and he's always an inspiration to me. And here's what it says. Got my first developer paycheck, smiley face. I wrote padding 16 pixels, a couple of for each loops, and a few if statements, and I was paid for it. Good for you, Seek. Still feels almost surreal. I'm very glad to be here. It hasn't been easy, but totally worth it. Keeping positive as I learn and adapt. Good for you, Seek. I'm telling you, man, I'm so happy for you. I know that I've been following him for a while, and we talk back and forth. I know that he's been just plowing through learning, and hopefully you have too. I have too. And it's just great to see somebody have some success. It was awesome to see him get his first job, get to that first paycheck. And you can do it too. That's what I'm here to tell you. That's what Seek is here to tell you. I hope his name's Seek, maybe Seek. I don't know. But I hope that that can inspire you to know that normal, real people are learning this stuff and getting hired and changing their life through learning to code, and you can do that. And I am gonna see you in the next video. Rock on, fellow coder. God bless. Do not quit. What do you say when you want to quit?
I don't